You should just have the command skills open on your screen, preferably on the small version, you know? If you press K and then you can press R, it's gonna be a mini window. Remember, wait with your shit.
Oh, we started. Oh, jungle bot active.
Oh my god, you blocked me. Roja, you dog. Okay, immunity, play live. Careful, it's a tank, spread. Keep spreading, yes. Everybody get ready, healing ults now. Nameless ults now. Get ready, we're gonna pop double damage in 3, 2, 1. Pop it. Bomb the towers.
I'm belling them. I'm popping healing ulti on the tower.
Yeah. Force. Missing Stormbreaker on the tower. I'm anti-healed.
I can't heal everyone.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna die soon. Yeah, I died.
I'm catching up.
I have Tiki on me.
I'm healing on you.
I'm horsing.
Borja, don't stay close. Borja, you cannot. Please. We're both like, Like, don't do that, bro. It draws too much aggro to the tower. I need rest.
Okay. How can I play full strat?
Just play vitality and disrupt.
And bomb body.
I have like 3 on me.
We have strats soon. Heal up everybody. We're gonna drop strats very soon. On the tower.
I'm horsing.
Get ready on the tower. In 3, 2, 1. Drop the strats. I'm bombing. Extend this, Neo. Extend on tower. Bomb on tower.
I bomb.
Pull on tower.
I'm gonna drop healing ulti on the tower.
Okay, spread now. They drop strats as well. Spread a bit. We're doing good on damage. Good fucking shit. Play horse. I'm gonna drop Stormbreaker on the tower, you can come after I'll bleed everything.
Just a lead.
I'm horsing.
Get out now.
I'm dead.
Getting ultimate.
Yeah, I'm catching you.
The bulwark.
Done.
Forcing in your direction.
I'm healing you, Tasha.
Thank you. I'm horsing again.
We will have strats very soon. Get ready, give me healing ults.
No, 5 seconds for healing ult.
Okay, wait.
I'm dead.
Okay, try to res him and then get ready. We're gonna bomb on tower.
I'm getting up.
I'm bombing now,
Healing ulti done.
Extend, bomb. Everything you got. Bomb the shit. They use immunity, fuck, I'm retarded. It's okay. I'm actually retarded.
Wait.
We have double damage ready, right, Neo?
We have double damage by the way.
Have it.
Yeah. Okay, wait, don't use it. Aborja, come, you can greet.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey, we have double damage, bro.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
You guys have, we're gonna use double damage for the next class, so in like 30 seconds, the towers are still alive.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
I'm playing safe, I'm gonna die, just kiss me. Jungle in 40, get ready.
I'm gonna go change build.
Yeah. Fuck the umbrella, bro.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Putting ultimate in the woodworks, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Good shit. Jungle, guys. Jungle, 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 jungle. I'm dead.
Forcing out.
Locking on jungle, locking on jungle, locking on jungle.
Shit, I have 3 on jungle.
We have strats after this. We're gonna use double damage, guys. After jungle.
Bulwark.
I'm on woodwork again.
Get ready, we're gonna use double damage in 3, 2, 1. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. On towers, on towers.
Boss top.
Everything on towers.
Ulti.
Everything on towers, everything on fucking towers. Spread now, spread now. Horse on mid, horse on mid, horse on mid. Bot is top, bot is top. Finish off the tower. Shit, boys.
I need heal.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Ah,
Alright, get on Goose. Do not get through the same choke. Do not go through the same choke. Be careful. Alright, get ready for Goose. Get ready for Goose now, guys. Place
All in goes, we have a double goose.
Yeah, we have double Goose damage. Everybody get ready for double Goose damage. Goose is left side. We're gonna bomb. Damage on Goose, damage on Goose. Tanks play on the side. Tanks play on the side. Play disrupt and bells. And we're gonna do double damage on Goose in 3, 2, 1. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. On Goose, on Goose, on Goose. Healing Goose, on Goose. Healing Goose, on Goose. Tanks play bells. Tanks play bells.
I need heal, I need heal.
Yeah. Dropping healing here.
Spread here on left. Spread on left. Spread on left. Defense is on left. Goose is center. Goose is center.
G3 coming back.
Yeah. I'm gonna bomb here on left. Tanks extend on left. Tanks extend on left. Pulling them towards the center. Pulling them towards the center.
Good on it, good on right.
Standing. Pulling them
Yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
center.
Bomb on
Bottom side is okay, free cast. Bottom side is free.
On red, on red. Okay, spread. We missed it. Spread, play defensive. Go to the right side, tanks keep fucking disrupting. A lot of fucking free casters on center here. Spread, guys. Spread. Tanks play bells here. In the class. Get the bells off.
Healer ulti right side now.
On right side.
Go to center here. Go to immunity. Keep spreading, guys. Keep spreading. We're still not recovered here. Here on center. They're bombing on center. You need to spread on center. Give me bells on center. Bells on center.
Goose double damage up.
Yeah, we have Goose double damage. Everybody get fucking ready. Give me healing ult in center. Goose is on center. Tanks keep fucking disrupting. We're gonna go double damage on Goose on right side in 3, 2, 1. Double damage on Goose. Double damage on Goose. Come on, pop it. All the fucking DPS on the fucking Goose. Come on, tanks keep disrupting. Find the Goose. Goose is mid gate. Keep fucking popping it. Goose fucking shit, boy. I'm gonna bomb here in center. I'm bombing here in center. Bombing in center. Extend on center. Come on, extend. Extend this shit.
Standing.
Bomb this. Commit to this, guys. Commit to this. Spread now. Good fucking shit. Give me more bells around the boost. Give me more fucking bells around the boost.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
They're bombing. Spread. Horse, guys. Horse. We need to recover. Play safe. Keep spreading.
Healer ulti right side now.
Play fucking safe. Good fucking shit, boys. Come on.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Jungle in 40. Get ready for jungle. Get the fucking equal swaps ready. Drop killing ults now so we don't fucking die before the jungle.
Moving out.
Keep spreading, guys.
I have
Keep
a
spreading.
rapid
Do not
heal
greet
time.
here. Do not greet. We need to be ready for jungle. Do not greet.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
G1, be careful here. We might need to go out. Yeah, where's Mati? Mati, where are you?
He's full that I tried.
Okay.
After half time, we have double damage for Goose.
Yeah, but they have immunity as well.
Okay.
Good fucking pace, boys. Keep it up.
Kissing mobiles. How can we beat this one?
Oh shit.
What?
GG's.
GG's.
Looking. They're bringing chickens. Alright, Neo, Steli, get back in. Let's try to do damage on the roof as much as we fucking can. We're gonna drop killing ult in center when I tell you, okay? When our people are coming back.
Yeah.
Now. We got healing ult in center. Everybody come in.
Let's
Jump
try
over the
second.
fucking walls.
I can drop it, Steli, don't worry.
Yeah. Drop it.
No, I have it on. Okay.
Rest Sen on choke. Goose is left side. Everybody get ready. Spread here. I'm bombing here on center. I'm bombing at center. Extend far. Try to get more of them. Do not commit to this. We're just going to bait out shit. Goose is left side. Killing Goose left side. Giving Goose left side. I'm gonna do Goose in 3, 2, 1. Pump it. Pop on Goose. Bells. Thanks, play bells. Thanks, keep playing bells here on the left. They're bombing. Goose is still on left side.
I need heal, if you can.
Yeah, play safe.
Healer ulti on left in 2 seconds now, putting.
Goose has immunity. Just play spread. Play safe. A lot of them here in center. I'm belling this. Keep belling. Thanks, keep belling.
He's immune.
For mid.
Yeah. Look on Sebi. Coin.
20 seconds killing ult.
TB ulted.
Goose is center towards gate. Left side now.
Bring your ulti in center.
Look on Goose. Commit to Goose, guys. Commit to damage on Goose. I have ult ready. Get ready for fucking extend on center in 3, 2, 1. Bombing this. Go fucking far. Extend on center now. Bombing Goose.
Killing ult on Goose.
Spread now. Spread, guys. Keep spreading. When is double damage?
Ready.
They're bombing spread.
Up, I guess.
Okay, go stop this, Mio. Everybody get ready. In 3, 2, 1. Pump on Goose.
Healer ulti 1 second, now putting center.
Almost there, guys. Just a little bit more. Neo, get ready.
One mid.
3, 2, 1. Damage on 3. Sprint. Damage on 3. Nice ball. Spread now. Thanks, play the sides. Keep fucking dropping stats in front of the tree. I'm gonna bomb on 3.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Bombing. Anti-heal on 3. Exploding here. Fucking kill. Extend the shit. Keep sending. Nice, boys. Spread now. We're gonna need damage on 3. They're trying to DB. Send everything on top of the driver in 3, 2, 1. Send it. Send on driver.
Stop.
TB ulted.
Yeah, man, to heal.
Yeah, spread. Neo, get off if you need to. Do not die here. Get off with the camera. Get jungle now. Get jungle now. Jungle, and after jungle, go boss.
Jungle in
Get off,
20
get off.
seconds.
I can.
Photo mode, escape space.
Yes.
I'm trying. You're good now. You're good now. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I think you will die here.
Yeah, I think so.
Sally, try not to play close, because then you get the DB as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't worry, I'm CCing, I'm CCing.
I'm gonna drop you then ulti.
Do we go boost or do we...
I'm bombing just to fucking keep you alive.
No, no.
Drop everything.
Or 3, I mean.
Everything on 3, everything on 3.
Boss?
Even Amos? Yeah, boss. G2, G3, go boss. Okay, they're bombing. Spread here, we're all gonna die.
I'm at the kill again.
Yeah, get off, Neo.
Yeah. Trying.
I'm getting focus here.
I'm
Neo,
out.
you
I'm
have
out.
to...
Yeah.
Okay.
I need heal. Steady.
Yeah.
Do not try to get on the course.
Yeah.
Shit, bro.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm going down
Try to
here.
rest if you can, try to rest. We're outnumbered here heavy, so... Yo, good shit, okay, get on. Oh, never mind.
Man was dead, yeah.
I'm bombing this, Anti-heal, all anti-heal. Send it a Borja.
I'm in the tree.
Get ready to bomb the driver, guys, in 3,
Right side.
2, 1.
Sprinting.
Send it. Sprint. We're sprinting. Oh, we don't have.
DB ulted right side.
Yeah. Look on tree. Bomb on tree. Directly on driver, guys. Directly on fucking driver. Come on, send it. Spread now. Alright, good fucking shit. Keep chasing them here. Fucking overrun them. Fuck them. Completely fuck them. G3 go defense. I'm sending you G3 now. Go.
Kill that Chinese guy.
Keep fucking jump on anybody that fucking comes here alone. We need to jump on them.
I have strat ult in 5 seconds.
Yeah. Keep jumping on them. Don't let them be on roofs. All the DPS go on roofs. Do not fucking stand below. Alright, they're coming back. Get ready, GT. I'm gonna need you back soon. You have like 5 seconds. Get ready on driver. Everybody get ready on driver. Spread first. Play. Bells on driver. I'm gonna bomb on 3 in 3, 2, 1. Bombing.
Two parties open. Shit, bro.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
More damage on the driver. We have DBs here trying to explode him. Look on 6, Commander. Just fuck them there on 6.
We need this jungle, by the way.
Yeah, we need the jungle in 40. Just try to wipe them here. Who will fucking wipe them here so they cannot fucking contest?
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Keep dropping stats on the driver. I think I'm through that. Can you try to res me? Okay, you have 15 seconds to try and res me. Look on 12, look on 12, look on 12. Give me all the fucking damage on 12. All the fucking damage on 12 and then go jungle.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Jungle now, guys, jungle now. Commit to jungle. Do not die here, do not greed here. We just need to take this jungle and we can win.
Oh my god.
Play fucking safe, full fucking play. Horse and bell.
Drop the tree.
We're going back.
Yeah, good shit. Gomena, I'm bombing on defense now. On the tree. Bombing. Where we go? All anti-heal. All fucking anti-heal here. Bomb. Alright, go back to offense. Try to get on.
Yeah, try.
Get away from the tree.
We have
DB on
sprints.
6.
We have sprints, if you want.
Yeah, play safe. We have anti-heal. Go sprint if you can. Neo.
Cannot.
Neo's
I am
dead.
Yeah.
Give me
I'm dead.
full bells on the tree, guys. I'm gonna try to get on. Full fucking bells and damage on top of the driver in 3, 2, 1. Send on driver. I need to get on, guys. We need this thing.
Sorry.
Where is everybody? Bro. It's okay. It happens. All good. Give me damage on driver. Neo, get off. Neo, get away.
Yeah.
Do not fucking get anti-heal with me. Just play mystics. I'm gonna get off.
Trying to get in.
Healer ult in front of tree now.
Get on me, get
I'm
on.
the tree.
Yeah. Look on 6, guys. A lot of them here on 6. I'm gonna
Bomb 6, bomb 6.
bombing 6. Anti-heal on 6. Bomb. Now on driver. Anti-heal 6. Bomb on driver. Everything on driver. Come on, send it. Yeah. G3 collapse on defense. I'm sending you G3 collapse on defense. Collapse on defense. DPS, only DPS. G2 DPS, collapse on defense. Thanks, keep this up here. I'm gonna need you back very soon. Alright, come back now. Collapse on T. Neo, do not fucking die here. We're gonna need full damage on top of the driver now. Full fucking damage on top of the driver. Everything fucking got send it on the driver. Send.
Dropping.
Try to get back on.
Healer ult on tree now.
I'm bombing on tree. I'm bombing directly on tree. All anti-heal. Bomb. Extend on tree. Okay, spread. We need to be careful. Spread fast. Play bells. Tanks keep playing bells. Bells and cores.
Get up here.
Yeah, the top switch. Everybody fucking be careful. Full fucking play safe.
Full rest on here.
Keep playing safe. All the fucking defenses here. Give me names full.
Kill in on this hub.
We're full playing 12.
Alright, offense play safe. Get below. Get the platform, guys. They're dying on tree. Alright, get ready. Do we have any fucking bombs? Do we have any fucking DBs? Everybody play horse now. Get ready. We're gonna need to damage on top of the driver, guys. In 3,
Jungle in 40 seconds.
1. Bomb it. Anti-kill them. Bomb the driver. Gomena, I'm coming to bomb your driver.
I need heal. I'm dead.
I can.
Healer ult in front of our tree.
Banana, I'm gonna bomb on top of the tree in 3, 2, 1.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Bombing. Anti-kill, all anti-kill, go anti-kill. Kill the fucking driver. Jungle now as well, jungle now. Go jungle. Where you at, Neo?
We're -5.
G3, go help defense after someone.
On the tree.
Give me bells on tree, guys. Bells on tree. Damage on tree, everything on tree. Nice fucking sprint, bro. Full damage on top of the driver in now. Full damage on driver. Nice fucking bomb. Keep sending bells. Bells on driver, guys. I have bomb in 10 seconds.
In health 6.
Spread. We're getting bombed here. Spread. Do not agree. Play horse. Do not fucking die here, guys. Alright, tanks, go on the fucking side. I have bomb ready. We're gonna need to make it count. All the tanks go to the fucking side. And I'm gonna bomb on top of the driver in 3, 2, 1. Bombing. Anti-kill on driver. Send it, guys. Send it. Keep playing life. We cannot save you now.
See?
Yeah. I'm belling on tree. Bombing on tree, try to get on now.
Yeah.
Alright.
GG's.
Sorry for the misunderstanding about what's here.
No, all good, bro. Don't worry about it.